White Chop Wall go on. It's your boy Singh, Zima out here with another banger video, and today I'm in my house cooking. Show you guys how to make the best scrambled eggs and pancakes ever. No cap. Two eggs. Alright, bet. Shake up some salt in that, some pepper, you see, and then you see me, you mix up that. No joke. Alright, so the secret ingredient for pancakes now, a little bit of vanilla flavoring. Drip not too much, just a bit, yeah, and some cinnamon, not a lot because it will like dry out the pancakes, so not too much, but you know, it's a vibe. Trust me, a little goes a long way. No joke. I prefer my pancakes bigger, so bigger pancakes. Look for the bubbles to flip the bro. Pancakes are simple. You're supposed to know how to make pancakes already. If you don't, Jano. Oh, my flip game on point. No cap. Let's add the eggs, and while I'm adding the eggs, you guys need to go down you guys need to go down, smash the like button, smash subscribe button, leave a comment. Oh my god, the egg is running to my pancake, but it doesn't matter. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to smash the like button, support your boy, get me to 15k subscribers, 20k subscribers, 100k subscribers. No cap. Lightly branding. You see like how this is brown right now with the black pepper and oh my god, this is gonna be delicious. No joke, kids. Butter and some syrup. No, oh my god, oh my god, look at it. Oh my god, it's crazy. Alright, bet. No joke. So, how have you guys been? This is not a mukbang video. This is just the beginning of the vlog. Don't if you realize, but my vlogs have been a compilation of a couple of days. Hope you guys are enjoying that. I'm working on bigger videos. But because of this whole virus thing, it's slowing me down in terms of what I want to do. So expect some actual banger videos, like production type videos coming up soon. I'm still trying to search it out, but no worries. Still going to be dropping vlogs in between. I won't miss an upload. 2 uploads a week, Tuesdays and Fridays. Subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss it. I have a thing, like a question thing, or you know, something that I was thinking about. Why is it that like most of these chefs, when they're making food, it's always some weird combinations, bro? Like, simpler is better to me. Why are you going to mix up broccoli and stewed peas? That just ruins stewed peas when you can just make a regular good stewed peas. You know what I'm saying? Even pancakes, bro. Like, people be doing like a bag of things to pancakes, like pancakes and burgers, like the simple stuff people are doing the most. I'm like, bro, a decently seasoned burger, some medium rare bacon, and that's it. Add some sauce, toast the buns. Don't need it. Why are people making donut burgers? I mean, I'm not saying it tastes bad, I'm just saying like simple is better. So here's what we're going to do. I saw a TikTok where somebody used a regular printer and got like a fake tattoo thing that you can rub off. So I'm going to try and prank my mom and let her think that I actually got a tattoo. I'm going to put it right here. The thing is, with my family, nobody in my immediate family has any tattoos, so for me to get a tattoo would be kind of weird. I want one for myself, but I'm not sure exactly what I want yet. I kind of have an idea, but I'm not 100% sure. So what I'm going to get, it says wisdom and wealth. Wisdom, wealth, something like that, or the other way around. I don't remember what it was, but let's see what happens when I print it. Alright, here we go. This is our tattoo, no cap. So I'm supposed to use a perfume, but I heard that rubbing alcohol works. I'm not going to waste anybody's perfume, but you're just supposed to wet the paper or wet the tattoo, the ink, I guess. Just soak it. So I'm using a Q-tip with rubbing alcohol just to soak the entire paper. You're supposed to put it in some water. I take this up very gently. Leave that in there. Let's see if this works or not. Alright, so it's been in there for a few minutes. The next instruction says that wherever I want to put the tattoo, you're supposed to like add rubbing alcohol or spray perfume. So I'm going to put it right here on my chest because I think this is the place where my mom would more than likely notice it because it's like right here. So, you know what? Now we're going to take the wet thing, the wet fake tattoo. I don't know if this is going to work, and I'm just going to put it on where I want it to be, and then you're going to use a cloth, press it down for I'm not sure how long, so let's see what happens after like 10-15 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, it's wrinkled and it just tore. Do I expect this to work? No. Let's see what happens. Oh, wait. It kinda worked, dog. I think I should. I don't know. It kinda worked, but I think it needs to be bolder or bigger or thicker or something. Here we go. Printing it bigger this time. Yes, sir. This looks more like it. No, but this looks big. Jano, dog. Let's see what happens. So for attempt number 2, we're going to be trying to do things a bit differently. This time I got hot water. I'm going to leave it in for a longer time, probably about 8-9 minutes, so that way it can actually soak in. So I'm going to coat this in the alcohol, put it in the water, see what happens. So for my next tattoo, I'm going to be doing my zodiac sign. I'm a Libra. My birthday is coming up. Almost Libra season, no joke. Alcohol, and this comes right off. I'm going to have to try my best not to move this area. Hopefully it comes out good. Let's see what happens. Let it drip. No cap. Oop. No turning back now. Can't move. Yes, sir. If these don't come out good, I don't know what will. So I'm just going to leave it. My mom is going to come home in about 30 to 45 minutes. So if this doesn't work, I don't know what I'm going to do, honestly. So wish me the best. Like, I put on the other one and we'll see what happens. So it's been about 15 minutes. This one, I didn't spend as much time on it, so I don't expect it to come out as bad. But these ones, I'm still not sure how it's going to come out. So let's peel off this one first because it's the flimsiest one. I didn't do it properly, so let's see. It might be faded. Oh, it's there. Oh, whoops. Bet. I think the paper plays a big part in this. I'm using regular paper with regular ink. Maybe if I use the wax paper, something would come off easier. Maybe more, but I'm not sure. But hopefully these ones come out better. Let's hope for the best. Peel off this side first. Ah, come on. Come on. I will not give up. I'm going to draw on these papers, put them in the water again, and hopefully the ink will just come onto my skin normally. Let's see what happens. This one has to work. Hopefully it does. If it doesn't, then we kinda don't have a video. So let's hope that this works. Alcohol one more time. The ink is already running. I'm not even doing anything yet. Yep, let it run. That's what we want to see. Don't care. Just trying to get this done. Soak it in some water Whoa! I may have just flopped. But it doesn't matter. So I'm a bit frustrated. Hopefully this works. This is the last time I'm doing this. No. Ah!